In this video, we shall be looking at how to set up your Earfun Free Mini earbuds, how to use them, how to fit them in your ears, pairing, resetting, and troubleshooting. So stay to the end. Also, you can skip to the part you want using the time codes below. We shall begin with the charging. To charge the buds, place them in the case. It will take the buds 1.5 hours to charge fully and 2.5 hours for the case to fully charge. Also, when the buds are used up, a 10 minutes charge will give 2 hours of playtime. When the charging cable is inserted, the red LED indicates charging and red LED off indicates the charge is complete. To know the charge left on the case, place the buds back into the case. When the LED on the case flashes white for 5 seconds, that will mean the case has battery percentage greater than 10%. If the LED flashes red 5 times, that indicates battery percentage is below 10%. How to fit? First of all, make sure you have the best ear tip on the earbuds that fit your ears best. Identify the right and left earbuds, insert the earbuds, turn them till you find a comfortable position. Pairing the earbuds. Remove the earbuds from the case simultaneously, which will power them on automatically. Activate Bluetooth on your device and search for available Bluetooth devices. Select Earfun Free Mini from the list. In case password is needed, type 0000. Note that the earbuds will connect to the device they were last connected to. To connect to a new device, disconnect from the old device, which will put the earbuds into pairing mode, and proceed to connect to the new device. Functions. Removing the earbuds from the case will automatically power them on, and putting them back into the case will automatically power them off, unless if the case is drained. Also, the buds will automatically power off after 5 minutes if they are out of the case and not connected to any device. Touch sensor functions. Double tapping the left or right earbud will pause or play music. Triple tapping right bud will go to the next track in the playlist. Triple tapping left earbud will go to the previous track in the playlist. Tapping once on the right earbud will increase volume, and tapping once on the left earbud will decrease the volume. Hands-free usage. To answer or end a call, double tap on either left or right earbuds. To reject a call, tap and hold on either left or right earbuds. And to activate voice assistant, tap and hold either buds for 2 seconds. Resetting earbuds. To reset the earbuds in case of pairing issues, keep the earbuds out of the case. Touch and hold the earbud buttons for at least 10 seconds to turn off the earbuds. And make sure both earbuds power off. In power off mode, touch and hold the button on each earbud at the same time for at least 10 seconds until they flash purple 3 times. Then earbuds have been successfully reset. Delete the old connection from the Bluetooth device and reconnect. Earfun Free Mini. Troubleshooting. The earbuds are turning on but do not connect to my device. To connect the earbuds to your device, please check if the Bluetooth of the device is on the list. Then select Earfun Free Mini on the Bluetooth list to get paired. If the buds still can't connect to your device, please try to reset. Why the connection is not stable and cut out intermittently. Please make sure there are no objects between the earbuds and your Bluetooth device, and make sure there is no radio or Wi-Fi interference nearby. My earbuds will not switch on. Please recharge it and make sure it has enough battery power